In the previous video we learned how to get started with Google's Antigravity. In this video we will make this Flappy Bird game using React without any coding knowledge. Just using prompts and antigravity models. So, let's proceed with the video. If you don't know what is a Flappy Bird game, let me show you so that you can connect better. We are inside our Antigravity IDE. If you notice closely, there are two conversation mode, planning and fast. I will go with planning. From LLM model I will choose Gemini 3 Pro. Now let's give it a prompt. For generating prompt also we will use Gemini only. It is asking for various permission like for creating folders and files. We will simply accept all the permission. Let's return upon the completion of the project. The project is ready, let's run the project. Oops! Some error occurred. No worries for this, also we will use Gemini to again create a new prompt to fix it. It is telling something to fix in our file. As the steps are simple, let's do it quickly. Nice, the error disappeared and the project ran successfully. But still there is some bugs. The bird drops before starting. Let's generate prompt to fix it quickly. Within the file it is asking for permission to make changes. I will simply accept it. Google Antigravity has asked me to install extension for the browser. Let's do it. This is amazing. I am not doing anything. The windows which is opening is not done by me. Google Antigravity has taken all controls and now everything is done by the Antigravity itself. This is called a true vibe coding. Let's return back once everything is done. I think Google Antigravity has fixed all changes required. Let's play the game. Still there is some error. Let me tell you, the speed of the bird is too fast and it becomes almost impossible to control it from dropping. I tried many times while fixing this issue using Antigravity but did not got result up to the mark. Still, creating this much is amazing and it made almost 95% of the project. Still 5% of the physics fixes is required. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Also comment what you feel after Antigravity created this. Will it replace developers? See you in the next video. Bye.